Welcome to my unboxing of the Sound Blaster ZX. The front of the box says it has a ACH with beamforming microphone. It's pretty cool. I believe it's actually integrated in the DAC on this model. If it was just a Sound Blaster Z, you get a separate microphone, I believe, that goes like on top of your monitor. In this case, that's not true. Sorry about the quality and the shakiness of this video. I didn't bring my camera with me. I'm actually just using my Nexus 6, which isn't too bad, but you know, it's not studio quality. Alright, so let's see if I can get a good shot right there. Yep. It's very nice packaging. High performance gaming and entertainment audio. I bought this primarily for the scout mode. You know, in editing videos, it's always good to have nice sound. See what you're doing. So, yeah, and that's the top. Good information on the side. There we go. This is a very good card. Alright. It's a diagram of the back of the card. I am so excited. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Well, thank you for watching my Sound Blaster Z review and unboxing and install. My last thoughts on this is, I don't know if it's just me, but my ASRock Z97 motherboard has Purity sound, and it has the gold capacitors, and in my opinion, as long as you're using the terminals on the rear of the case, I honestly didn't notice much difference. So to justify the 100 and change that I spent on it, I couldn't really do that. Now, this brings up a good conversation. Are sound cards these days really worth it with the quality of onboard sound that are coming on motherboards these days? I've seen a couple videos of it on YouTube talking about it. I know Tech Syndicate did something on it, and I think Linus did something too, but honestly, in my opinion, games sound great. I mean, I did notice distortion if I'm using the jacks in front of the case, but come to find out, if you don't really use those, it's not really an issue. And I have a Bose sound system, and it's only a 2.1, it's not a 5.1, so I guess it really just matters on how you're going to use it and what you're going to use it for. But then again, my Z97 ASRock motherboard also has optical in too, so I don't know. I just found that unless you're like a real big audiophile and you have a real big need for it, I think onboard audio has really caught up. Well, thank you guys again for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.